Alright, this is going to be a hot start. See what it does. Currently idling. There we go. So what I did was I ran lacquer thinner through the fuel tank. Did 5 gallons of fuel to 1 gallon of lacquer thinner. I did 2 treatments at idle, and I would rev it up to about 2 grand, hold it for 10 minutes, let it idle, cool off, do another starter up, let it warm up, run it again to 2,000 to 2,500 RPMs for 10 minutes and let it cool off. And then I went for a drive yesterday, so far so good. Probably do another treatment and then see what it does.